Finding hope and desperation. We're shining a light on the state's mental health care system. Back in May, we told you about Victoria Harris. She disappeared while pregnant and suffering from severe mental illness. She was found safe and is now the mother of this beautiful baby girl. Her family says they're thankful to so many across the state who helped save the lives of both Harris and her daughter. Atlanta News First senior reporter Patrick Quinn joins us live tonight from Grady Memorial Hospital. And Patrick, the mother is in a psychiatric hospital right now getting the care she needs.
It was here, though, at Grady Memorial Hospital that the mother, Victoria Harris, and her young daughter, they spent 5 days together. It was also here at Grady that Victoria Harris, she wrote on a piece of paper one word that later became her daughter's middle name. That word, hope.
Hope.
Meet baby Hope. Born September 27th, happy, healthy, and like most 7-week-olds, she's a big sleeper and eater.
She's probably getting hungry. So strong.
Brittany Bethia is baby Hope's aunt, now one of her caregivers, while her mom, Victoria Harris, is in a state psychiatric hospital. You're holding on to hope?
Yeah, we're holding on. Hope is fitting because it was really the only thing that our family had to hold on to. But, you know, I think it's what got us here.
In May, Victoria, diagnosed with schizoaffective and bipolar disorders and 18 weeks pregnant, went missing. It wasn't the first time. She was later found, arrested, and taken to Cobb County Jail on a prior arrest warrant. But it was in jail that Brittany said things started to improve for Victoria. Brittany said Victoria's charges were dropped. She was transferred to Wellstar for involuntary care and later moved to Grady to deliver her baby.
Coordinating care between systems very seamlessly.
In short, the safety net of Georgia's mental health care system caught Victoria and her baby. This hopeful outcome not guaranteed. According to the State Department of Public Health, from 2020 to 2022 in Georgia, 141 people died while pregnant, 20 of those with ties to mental health conditions. Georgia's Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Disabilities has pumped in $47 million to expand crisis services across Georgia. The state has nearly 1,000 beds, 300 of which are dedicated to those in mental crisis. Do you feel like Georgia's properly equipped?
There are long lists sometimes to get into those hospitals for psychiatric care. And so I think that, you know, some expansion of services and facilities is certainly needed.
After weeks, Victoria is now checked into a state psychiatric hospital. But in the meantime, others have stepped in to help.
This is actually one of our 2 storage units.
The Atlanta nonprofit Motherhood Beyond Bars gave Brittany diapers and bottles to help raise baby Hope. Right now, they're helping 380 babies and more than 1,000 family members with incarcerated mothers across Georgia.
It takes a lot of people to help break these cycles of incarceration and trauma in families. And we're going to be here doing it for a long time with the people that we find in our community who care about that too.
Brittany would like to see more training for police officers to help those in crisis avoid jail. If you have a family member in mental health crisis, she stressed 988 is a great resource. And until Victoria can be there for Hope, Brittany said she's not going anywhere.
You keep showing up. Like what?
Oh, because that's my sister. Yeah, it's my sister. But that we want her to kind of get to her best self so that she can show up the best for her daughter.
And Victoria, she does get to talk to her daughter on the phone. She also gets to see baby Hope during some of those hospital visits. Will they be reunited? The family says that's something that they are taking week by week. They recognize they have to make sure that both Victoria and baby Hope have a long-term healthy future. Live outside Grady Memorial Hospital, Patrick Quinn, Atlanta News First.